might be noticing something different. Alana, why is your hair short?
And she's like, oh my god, my hair short until you see the back. I actually really like
So we got a haircut today. Mine's really short. My mom says it's too short.
She just gave me a trim. I like the little bow.
Yeah, she gave her a bow, which is nice. But this is not why. This is not why we get the video. We turned this phone on. We got it because we ordered a bunch of fidgets and poppets.
What if they break them? Because someone glass.
Shout out to Sheen.
Shout out to Sheen. Shout out to Target too.
Target, did we get stuff from Target or is it just from Sheen?
We got one
just
puppet.
from Sheen. And I don't know what the puppet is and I don't want to look for that. So we're just going to have to open it up. Oh my god. So the first thing is... Let's just see. Okay, let's show them. So I don't know what this is.
I'm gonna open it.
Wait, we have to show them. Product. I don't know what this is.
I know
we have
what
to
it
show
is.
all the things. No, we have to show.
Face thing. I think it's that face thing.
Oh yeah, it's this thing. You can like wait. It's like you have to.
Oh my god, that's crazy! Alana, we got two of the same poppets.
It's like you can.
I got one in
Won't focus.
square shape. I got one in
Oh, those are heart shaped.
We got these at the same.
Why are you so excited? Just let's show them.
Okay, what is this? This is the controller.
Oh, this is like the things you have in school.
Oh, this is, geez, this is hard.
Is this like, what is this? Oh, this is like the, this is dress ball. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, this is that ball.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're...
What is this, Mom?
Oh, that's fine. It's a little blender.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
And the last, oh, wait, is that the last thing? And the last but not least, this, I think we got another one. Okay, so I like this one.
I'm gonna open this one first.
You can open that one first. I'm gonna open this one first. Why not?
Oh my god, that's cool.
Can you move them around?
Yeah.
How do fidget people use these?
I don't know, they're like flexible, I guess.
I see so many fidget TikToks nowadays.
So popular.
Hey, I was opening this one.
Fine.
Okay, wait, you gotta play with it. You're not gonna move on. Okay, guys, so this one's kind of like the same thing.
This is cool.
I don't get.
Wait, I'm gonna make it into a bee.
I think that they call this the snake.
I call this the bee.
So it's like it's a square, but then you can like, hey, it's mine.
You
could like do different.
I don't know how to put it back. I got this. I can like.
I don't know what is this like.
Made a little heart. Try to make a heart.
I don't know.
Play with more.
I don't know how you do
This
that.
couldn't.
This one's cool.
It could do this too.
Oh yeah, you can do that. Oh yeah. Oh, we can do this. We can do like that. Yeah,
Okay, I want to do this
the
one.
table. Okay, so you can do that one. I want to do this one. It's the face one.
I wonder what this one is.
Guys, this is almost like.
I think, is this what
The light's too bright.
Oh, we got it in America? Oh, I didn't know that we got.
Oh, yeah, oh, it was random, so we got the American one. I need to turn this down. Okay.
No, it's
So guys, so what we got, this big face box thingy, it was actually, oh my god, it feels so nice.
Look
guys.
at what I got.
She got American. It's like this face. It's just so
jabbing.
bright.
This is fun.
There, it's like that. And you can like, I don't know what it is.
Wait, I want to try mine. What's this for?
Are you laughing all day? Are you crying? Are you busy?
What is this?
Look at feel it.
Try mine.
Oh my god, back in the days. You press these. 5th graders know this so well. 4th graders actually too. I don't get what you do with that one. This is like so many people.
I don't know. Oh, it's back.
So many people in
I
the
just
4th
dropped
grade
it.
had these. I just can't pronounce it. In 4th grade, these were so famous. I don't know what that was. It's like the fidgets. It was cool.
I'll open these two. Okay. Open this one.
Okay.
I'll actually open that one.
I don't know what. Mom, I need your help.
That's my
Mom.
They ask you how...
Guys, my mom doesn't
Cool.
come.
Whoa.
What did you say?
How do you use this face? Look at.
Ew.
Look at
Ew, I don't like it. Let me see it.
cool.
Ew.
It's small.
I don't like this. Why does it feel this way? It feels like a little...
Look how mean you look. Jeez.
Oh, look at this one. Oh. Okay.
Wait,
It's too bright. Hold it down.
Oh. My name is Jody.
Wait.
Oh. Hold on. Now let me do
This
this.
is so cringy.
Wait, Billy, Mommy.
Mom, stop. Is this what it's for?
Maybe I'll fill this.
So, this
I
one.
told you it's weird.
Hey, this is mine. This is mine.
Wait, can I see it? Oh, look at this one. Oh my God, Mom! Vanessa, wait. Take it, sir. We should have got the peas. You know the peas one? Okay, so.
They didn't have it.
Moo.
They didn't have it.
What the heck are you helping me
These
for?
were mine.
Hey. I'm gonna try.
What is it? Oh.
Oh, it's like a little controller.
Hey, wait, can I? Wait, this ad's on it.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, it's like a little wrist thing. You guys didn't open your hearts.
No.
Look, it's like if you like go like that.
I
and it
expected
comes.
them to be more
I'm trying to
fun.
show them, Vanessa. You gotta chill. What are you supposed to do?
I thought that it was the one that pushes.
This one's hard.
Oh, this one's kind of weird.
This one's fidget.
I like this one.
I like this one. It's like
This one's like, you gotta have some real strength like me.
I don't like
You
this.
see those egg ones?
Ooh,
Like
it's
they-
cute.
Can I do that one on the YouTube video? How like they go and then they squish the egg with their biceps? I wanna do that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this height one now.
I'm gonna stuff the one.
We already have one, but now you can have one and I can have one because she always.
Then
takes
who is
the
that?
toys.
We have one more. I think. Hello.
Oh, it smells like the helium. Guys,
This one.
ignore our parents fighting over socks. They feel so weird when they first come, you know?
Yeah, this one is like these.
So guys, this is how they look, and then you just... But, Mom, stop fighting about socks.
They were my brand new socks, and Dad's gonna get them Fuji.
Oh my God, Mom, I can't put this in the video. Okay, anyway.
Well, with that stress. This is hard, Lana. Stress.
It's like...
Okay, let's have a competition. See who can pop them the fastest. But you have to do the circle in a circle.
Okay.
Okay, on your marks.
Wait. I have to...
Make sure they're all the same way. On your marks. Get set.
Both sides, wait, both sides?
No, just one side to the end. Just one side. Ready? One. Cheater. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Done.
How did you little fingers do that? I demand a rematch.
Fine. Wait, I'm gonna play with my cube.
Okay, ready, Vanessa? One more time.
This is that fun.
You hate when your parents just say goodbye and they hug and kiss, and then they make it so awkward and they hug, and then they fight. I'm just kidding. Then they say, hey! Okay, ready, Vanessa?
I don't know what this one's about. This one's
Okay,
like.
Vanessa didn't let me play with any of them, guys. You're so meanie. I don't even know what
This
Okay.
is. Wee.
And
And this. This one, this one's kind of boring, to be honest.
it's a kiss.
Ew. Legit, that's disgusting, to be honest.
New boyfriend. Guys, this is my new boyfriend, Tommy. George. See you. George not found. See what I mean, guys?
You can smell the Fuji.
Guys, look at.
And I can wake up Mom every time she sleeps.
Guys, this is honestly satisfying.
Ew. Look at it. Oh. Okay, Lana, 3.
Wait. I need it. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Wait, Mom, can you say the correct?
Oh my God.
On your mark.
Mom, no one cares about the face.
On your mark,
Get ready.
get set, go!
You do this so quickly.
Done.
Oh.
Dang it. Okay, I
Again.
see a rematch.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
wait, let me put them on to your side. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Just gotta put your fingers in there. You know? Done.
I did.
I was actually done.
So one is a winner, one is a winner, and one is a tie.
Okay, well,
I didn't even know that they can go this, Joan.
The heart one's cute. It's funny they're all yellow.
This one's like harder. This one's flexible because it's like named.
That's all I have to do. I will.
Oh my god, guys, stop throwing stuff.
Get your ugly
I'm
head.
not posting this.
It's so satisfying. Ew, oh no, I'm getting him dirty.
Wow, Mom. Now we're going to turn it to the brightest you've ever seen. It's like those coloring on fan pages. So blinding for your eyes. This one's actually, why are you smelling it? It smells disgusting.
Wait, I'm gonna try to make a table.
I actually
Guys,
kinda like it.
okay, I'm gonna show you something. So, it's gonna be cool.
Like, I don't mean my mom would say. So mean.
Look at this. I made an M for a mom. Look at. Dun 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 dun.
I have the funniest meme for that. Stop, that tickles.
So, I do these. I do this, and I.
The most favorite
Mom, what's the
one.
blue? What's the blue one?
I like this one. I like this one. It feels like you're playing like an Xbox.
I like this one.
I'm a gamer god. When I guys hit me up. Even my friends say I'm a gamer
Squishy.
god.
Okay.
This is cool.
I'm Game Girl too. Oh, we're going against each other. Okay.
Look at they flip. Mine's can so
Mine-
whoa.
Mine can circle. Mine can do
Well,
anything.
guys, I hope you guys do this video.
We're not
of
done.
us-
We still have to do the content.
No, we're not doing the ones. We can do
Okay.
it after the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want, you can like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in 5 years when I'm 16. Same age as Charlie. So, yeah.
Although let's do it now. The pop it right now. Fine. One more time.
I just want to go to bed.
Hey guys, ASMR time. No, this is ASMR. Oh, that's not ASMR.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys.
Although no, we still have to do.
Maybe Mom should like make a YouTube video. Wait, Mom, should you be Christ? Do you want to make a YouTube video?
No.
Mom says no to
She's poopy.
She's a fuchi.
She's a poopy.
Mom says no to everything. We just got our hair cut and we opened up.
Dad just got my haircut, actually.
Hey, why do you think Dad got your hair cut? What did he tell you last night?
Until I'm 15.
And who do you think helped change his mind?
Me?
Now who's took